Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, device with Android 14 on board, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Android 14 device. To do it, you just need to open the Android 14 settings, scroll down, and find here System. Then scroll down again, find Reset Options, erase all data and erase all data. Then you need to confirm your pattern log. So confirm your pattern and confirm by clicking on Erase All Data. Click and wait a while until your device reboots, but it may take a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!